So Facebook has this new payment feature that I need you to try. Now, this payment feature is really amazing. Now, if you're in Nigeria and you're watching this particular video, then of course you want to watch this video to the end. Now, if you're in other countries, this video might not really help you so much. But if you're somebody who is outside Nigeria and you want to continue to run your ads in Naira and pay for your ads in Naira, then you need to watch this video, right? Hi everyone, my name is BizLift and this is BizLift NG. Thank you so much for coming to this video and watching this particular video. If you are a new subscriber, thank you so much for coming, and I hope you do subscribe and leave a thumbs up before you leave. And if you are an existing subscriber, thank you so much for coming back to watch videos from me time and time again. I do appreciate all the love that you send towards me. All right, so let's go straight into today's video. Now, today's video is about a new payment feature that Meta has just included for people who are in Nigeria to use. Now, of course, if you're in Nigeria, one of the restrictions that we have is that we cannot fund our account or we cannot pay for ads directly using our Naira cards, right? I mean, of course, you know that this is no longer news. Our Naira cards do not work, and we are unable to use it to pay for our ads directly, right? But what we've been using since that time has been our, Pay You feature. The Pay You feature that Facebook has created has been what we've been using since we had restrictions on our card. But now, Meta has taken it to the next level, and there are other payment features that you can now use to pay for your ads or to fund your ad account. It's really amazing, and for me, I think this feature, everyone needs to try it. Now, this feature is actually a transfer feature. It's a bank transfer feature, and I think it's amazing because it doesn't have any restriction, it doesn't have any time or any failure whatsoever. As at the time I was recording this video, I tested it and it worked very fine. All right, so what I want to do in this video is to share with you about this new payment feature and show you exactly how it works. Now, this feature would allow you to fund your prepaid ad account using the transfer method. So what happens is that when you click to use that transfer method, you are able to fund and pay money into a temporary virtual account number, which is of course a Nigerian bank account number. You pay into that account number and the money reflects on your ad account. Really that simple, right? So I'm going to just walk you through everything and what you need to do, right? So let's get straight into my laptop where I'll be showing you exactly how this works, right? Now, the first thing you need to do is to go to your billing and payments. So from your business suite, right? From your business suite, go to all tools and then click on billing and payments, and then it takes you here, right? So what we want to do now is to add funds. So click on add funds, right? Click on add funds. It's pretty much simple, straightforward. Now you can see the amounts here. You can change the amount you want, but what I exactly want you to see is the pay by bank transfer. You can see that option there, pay by bank transfer. This is not available, like I said, to every other country. This is only peculiar to Nigeria. So if you're watching this video and you're not in Nigeria, this video might not be useful to you. But if you're in Nigeria or you are Nigerian and outside Nigeria and you want to keep paying for your ads in Naira, you have this option now, which is the pay by bank transfer. So let's click on, let's say we want to do 45. So we click on pay by bank transfer, then we click next. Okay, so once we click next, it will take us to a part where, it's absolutely amazing. Just wait to see that part. All right, so what happens is that once you click that, it tells you pay with bank transfer, amount 45. Please enter your mobile phone number below. So we're just going to enter our mobile phone number here. Okay, so once you do that, click on the continue, and then the moment you click on continue, it will take you to a page where you will see the details of where you're making this transfer payment, right? So automatically you get a virtual account number that you can pay it to, right? You can see it here. Pay into this virtual account number for Facebook ads. You can see the amount you're paying. This is the bank account number. It's a virtual account number, and then this is the bank Paga, right? And it says that this virtual account number is valid for, there's a countdown here, and that countdown only means that if you do not finish paying this before this ends, then the bank account number is going to be invalid. It's only available for these 15 minutes. So I would advise that you get your phone ready to make the transfer immediately. You see this page, then you transfer into this page. The moment you transfer into this account number, rather, you would see the money reflect in your ad account. It's pretty much that simple, right? So I want you to try this out and let me know how this goes, or if this works for you, and if this is a better option for you. Have you tried it before? Do you have this new feature? If you don't have it, of course it is being rolled out, so you will still get this feature if you don't have it currently. But if you have it already, leave a comment. Let me know if you have this feature, and if you've tried it before, did it work for you? Just leave a comment in the chat box, and I'm going to be able to reply to everyone. Thank you so much, and I'm going to see you in the next video.